Hi, and welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. In the past, most of the hacks have been basic arithmetic. I ran across one though that's trigonometry, and it's really pretty cool. So I thought I'd show it to you. Today I'm going to show you how to do trigonometry on your fingers. Yes, we've done counting on our fingers, multiplying on our fingers, and now trigonometry on our fingers. But first, a little background. Okay, trigonometry uses the unit circle. All right. This is 0 or 360 degrees. This is 90. This is 180. And this is 270. All right. The angles that are used most are 45 degrees, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees. Now when we're taking sine and cosine, the sine and cosine, the numerical value for all 45 degree angles is going to be the same. It just has a different sign, positive or negative. And that's the same true as 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, so if we can find values for these numbers, then we can find values for most of the important angles that we normally look at. All right, so working at coming up with sine and cosine for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. All right, using our hand. So let's put our hand on the board and we'll label it. Okay, this is 0 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This finger is 45. This one's 30, and this one's 60. All right. So let's find sine and cosine for 30 degrees. All right. We take this finger and we fold it in. I'm going to just kind of make this shorter. Okay, that's the finger folded down. Sine is going to be the square root of the number of fingers below that finger. So square root of 1, and then it's over 2. Well, square root of 1 is 1, so it's 1/2. Cosine 30 degrees is going to be the square root of the numbers above it. Square root of 3 over 2. So sine is square root of the number of fingers below the one we're looking at over 2. Cosine is the square root of the number of fingers above that over 2. And tangent is sine over cosine. So that it is 1/2 over square root 3 over 2. Let's look at another example. Let's look at find the sines and cosines of 45. Okay. Sine is square root of numbers below this finger, which is 2. Square root of 2 over 2. Cosine is square root of number of fingers above it, also 2 over 2. And tangent is sine over cosine, which is 1. $60 is going to be exactly like 30 degrees, but just reversed on the numbers. And let's look at 0 or 90. Okay, sine of 90 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root of 4 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. Cosine of 90 is 0 over 2, or 0. And tangent of 90 is 1 over 0, which is undefined. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.